Few updates. The boat is, it's taking quite a lot of time to fix the last things. Built in there some holders. It will catch up fiberglass sticks, which will hold up the roof in the middle. It is hanging. So we have some 8mm fiberglass sticks that will give it more strength, more stability. In my box here, my control box, I have a switch. This is the front. This switch is broken. It was too much amperes, too much current for the switch, so it would break. I have a new one here, which should be able to handle it. I have to build it in. Turn this because they were running around. This and that. That's my the part for the. This is the ESC, the motor controller. Let's say switch, so that I can switch up the motor. This is the solar controller for the side panels, which I will attach later, and the solar controller for the main panels, the six on the roof, 6 times 150 watts. Yeah. And then it's mounted on an aluminium metal piece and with heat conductive pads, so that it can deliver the heat to the bottom. And this one will be attached on the inside on my stainless steel plate here, also with a heat conductive pad in between. Still no screws in. I need somebody who help me. Then what else? Same here. I will replace this switch, the left one, with a more bigger one, with a more capable one for the current. Motor is attached. I cannot fold it down because of the floor here, of course. Yep. What else in the inside? One take. I'm not a video guy. I'm a builder guy. Oops. Lights. Yeah, I know you're empty. The bilge pump, sucking the water here, pumping it out on the side of the boat. This orange pump is for the sink, for my crane there, so I have some water source. And you see the metal plate on the inside, which will be the cooling. My junction box here, well, junction box, but main power cutter. This cut only the plus for here, only the things that use. Then here I have single that use electricity, like motors, and then you have this 2 switches for the solar, one for the main roof, one for the side panels, measuring for how much energy is energy consumption, energy production, measuring the current over the millivolt and the resistance of the ECO. And that's it, I guess. Here, this is how I made it. There's a fuse box, DC-DC converter, horn. It's pretty loud. The compass, it's hanging because it's slant. I need to build under something to bring it into the upright position. It's also something I need to do. But right now, this one. Fiberglass stick go inside here and building the holders here, which will catch the stick right now. There's a radar warner, making my radar signature bigger so that I appear on the radars of bigger ships. It's for safety, you know. But I guess my boat have enough radar signature, whatever. Battery, lithium. If you see this spots, they are catching the chairs, so I can put them already 90-degree angle. I have this position, middle position, this position. So it's basically catching two chairs, one here and one there, but I can also attach other things. I'm thinking to have a generator later, gas powered, which I can attach here and then producing electricity in case I don't have sun. That's for the future. For now it's a good weather campering mobile, let's say. So, have a nice day. Feel free to like. One step back. Oops, sorry, I'm a little disabled here, but I'm doing fine. Oh yeah, here, the winder. Electric winder for letting down the boat into the water. Yesterday I tried it without the boat, working fine. The next time with boat. Look if the weather's fine. Right now it's raining. So that's it. With my finger, better, yeah, like that. The thumbnail. Have a nice day. Goodbye.